Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the complete review of the Sykz SBT917 Projector series Bluetooth speaker. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, this is the Bluetooth speaker. You get this Sykz branding and you also get a mobile holder at the top. In the front you have these 20-watt speakers, and this speaker has been given this wooden finish which looks really great. On the left side of the speakers you get to see all the input slots, including the aux, the micro SD card and the USB. You also get the micro USB charging port and the on-off button and the volume rockers. The other two sides of the Bluetooth speakers are completely clean. These speakers comes with Bluetooth version 5.0 and it has the range of about 10 meters. The speaker is extremely lightweight and weighs around 571 grams. When you charge the speakers using the micro USB cable, you get to see a red light glowing. It turns off when the charging is complete. So guys, now let's check the sound quality of the speakers. I'll recommend you to use a headphones to get a better audio experience.
Welcome to Sykz Music World. Bluetooth mode.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So guys, now coming to my opinion on this Bluetooth speaker, the sound quality is average. Although the audio output is really loud in the speaker, but it lacks bass and clarity. This speaker comes at a price tag of around 600 rupees and there are various other options where you can choose from. The only thing you might consider for buying this speaker is its looks. The look of the speaker is really unique and it also has a mobile holder at the top, which you can use it for watching movies. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.